act like
Baguzi, sondela baguzi.
Mike is gonna act like an uncle who just got work and he's broke again.
What's in it?
Act like an uncle who just got work but he's still broke.
Imisebenzi ayibhadali man. Na 3 years ngingenile kule company kodwa ngisebe. Oh, let me start all over.
Yeah, that's an umbrella.
Okay, it starts like this. When Millie, go sondela. Sondela. Ngiyazi ngiyasebenza. Kodwa imali yami angazi iphelela kumbe iphelele etshwaleni. Ngiyazi ngiyaphuza. Kodwa i12 incane. Mhlambe ne24 incane.
Cut. Okay, guys. After this, we're gonna rate who was the best. Now, Millie,
Sondela.
come act. Mike is take your stick. You're gonna need it. Take your stick. You're gonna need it. And your glasses.
That's a 10 out of 10, guys. That's pure acting. That's talent. Talent, Lilia. Talent.
Give me uncle.
What?
Millie is going to be the male teacher in the school who is rude. And
Action. Imo kat rasa ne bagus.
Okay. Wow.
2 Action.
Elinda bantwana. Sure. Kaka pissing me off. Nayifuna induku. Yawona siphesile. Ngangiphapheli.
Okay.
Hey. Yo. Dana. Uyayibona le? Uzoyithola.
Mara mimi ngenzeni?
Irafle.
Mimi ngenzeni?
Uyenzengani? Eyenzeni noyito baby?
Kodwa mimi mara angithi nosiphokazi uyarasa ngale.
Ukhulume nosiphokazi mina.
Yo.
Kodwa mina mema ngenzanga next musimeme.
Memu yakuphendula memu.
Ngithanda ngiphendule first of all.
Sorry mem for
what?
Memu mshayi.
Kodwa mema mara angithi nomandla uyarasa ngale muva ngapha kamazi babakhe.
Ha yo. Mara mina ngenzeni?
Mara mina memi ngenzeni?
Uyenza into wrong yini uzibona? Zathatha.
Mkhiphe meme eklasini uyasirasela.
Detention.
Detention yani.
Hayi.
Uyasirasela nunuka umlomo.
Mem izo. Done.
And now we have
Now snikeza uGrebs i-character. Grebs.
That's an auntie.
Grebs. You are a Nigerian who lives in Capton Park. Oh, New Zealand, eh? Grebs is gonna act like a Nigerian who lives in Capton Park. He loves money. He loves young girls. At the age of 22. Young girls, I mean like 20. Not pants, ne? He's desperate for money. Agatati, like, next.
Nonsense.
He's me, mananya ukhulume lelo gama. Okay. Now 3, 2, 1. Nasimti stay for 2 minutes, ne? Action!
Baby girl, come marry me. You know I love you, huh? Don't do that to me. I'm not this little boy suppose in the mandlas, you know? I love you. I want to marry you. I want to take you to Nigeria, show you good, nice time now. God, you see this ring? Big ring could buy mansion. Could buy you a lot of, you know. Don't be like that now. You see me living in Kelton Park. I'm just living in Kelton Park just to do what to make money for you to chop now. You have to chop lots of money. You have to look beautiful, wear beautiful dresses, designer dresses, all this sling now. You see this? This is from Louis Vuitton just for you to wipe your tears when I make you cry. Because I know I'll be making mistakes, but I don't want to make the mistake. The mistake I'll be making is not by me, but by the devil. I blame the devil if I cheat on you.
Going to beat Bafana.
Nah? You see Bafana?
Yeah.
I beat it. I always bet against Bafana and I always win. The last time I bet, I did not bet. AI.
10, 9,
I'm tired now.
8.
You see now?
7.
When they say 2,
6.
let it be me and you.
5.
When they say 1, because it be 1 for me, baby girl. What the? Wallah. My father is the president. I am the organ law of my country. What would they do to me now? What would they do to me? What would they do to me?
And Chai. Okay. Let's hear Amma vote now.
Who was the best?
Who was the best?
Millie.
Let's see. Sondela ngapha.
Oh.
Millie.
Emma, wait.
Millie.
I Millie won.
Millie. Millie.
Mike. Millie. Oh, decline. Oh, Gabs, at least they won finally.
Okay.
Millie.
But
Millie time.
Hi, Mike. Okay.
Gabs. You see that? Gabs.
Emma, Millie.
Gabs and Millie. Oh my God, Millie. Gabs.
Okay, can you open like a poll to see like abantu abavotayo?
A poll usually happens when it's 2 names. If people do 2 names, this was very
2 names.
Mm.
Can it be a competition maybe between the 2 of us? Then win a competition between the 2 of us. Oh,
No, Auntie sent a gift.
Ooh, thank you.
Thank you too much.
People are saying Millie a lot, yo.
Uh,
Mike Peary, okay.
Nigerian guy.
Okay, so-
100 grabs times 10,000.
Okay. So
Mike
go around le.
Who?
So go around le. Oh, thank you. Okay, now.
Okay, I sent them so. Yo. Most Millie times 100.
Okay, the winner here is
It's
Umili,
Millie,
guys.
yeah.
Umili,
By
guys.
far.
Yo, Mara, Ganjan, dog, you the one.
Ganjani,
was supposed to
we
win.
helped her though.
You the one was supposed to win.
Nah, we helped her though. So she had characters. Millie won. I saw you guys. Millie won. Okay.
Millie won. Okay, let's start all over.
Oi, thank you for the gift. Oi, Habs. And goes for the 4 gifted roses. 4 characters. Tabo is in the live.
Okay, now let's change.
Okay.
Maybe like
Should we still act or show people our talent?
Yeah, guys, you said you're going to copy me.
Aquana sent a gift. Thank you, Aquana.
What gift? What gift?
Just sent a gift.
When?
Aquana.
No, back on. Move.
Yeah,
Bega little phone. Yeah, bega little phone. Biggie phone. Now should we continue with the challenge or?
Okay. Can I get 1 more Nigerian character? Then I'm the one who's starting now.
Hey, can I start this now?
Oh, now which character are we giving? Let's give you the challenge, a problem child. Be a problem child.
Can I be a Nigerian too?
Okay.
I mean, who comes already to Nigerian?
Okay, be Zimbabwe. Be Zimbabwean. Give me. What's the thing? Be Nigeria start.
Nigeria start. Steps.
Okay, Nigerian what now?
Nigerian housewife. Nigerian housewife. As many like and you have 30 seconds. You have like 1 minute or 30 seconds.
1 minute.
1 minute. It is fair.
60
time.
60 seconds.
Okay, so he's gonna start.
60.
So, una 1 minute, ne? He has 1 minute to act like a Nigerian
Thank you,
housewife.
Lebu, for commenting.
Thank you.
Who is that? Olga?
1 minute, okay. We went to 3 hours.
No, relax, young science.
Tapsi.
Ready? Okay, it's 1 minute. Ne? He has 1 minute to act like how. 1 minute to act like a housewife, and his time starts now.
Cancel. I was still getting in character.
Okay, 1 minute, just 1 minute. Oh yeah, make me a toti like maybe Kunzi or something.
Who?
Me. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
3,
Tatele the phone.
2,
Nigga phone, make it you press retard.
1. 3, 2, 1, action.
Beautiful phone of mine now. Beautiful, very beautiful. I'll be tapping my phone now. Aren't you robbing me? Cut. Now I'm going to do it alone. This stupid man robbed me of my phone. Igwe man. If I told the Igwe about this, the Igwe will not believe me. I have 7 kids, different fathers, and I know the rich one is the president, but he does not want to support my child or my marriage. I've been here living in this country, South Africa, but I'm not getting any job. Give me 500, I'll tell you the truth. I've been staying in this country for more than 50 years, but I'm only 23. I have 3 kids. 3 kids. His name is Palisa, the other is Michael.
God!
Yeah, I tried, bro.
Oh,
Puti,
Yeah?
that's a mistake to say. I have 7 children. Not just a way that
Do you think it was a mistake in Nigeria?
Yeah, Niger. Oh! Ding! Millie, next.
What?
You acting like a problem child straight. The way you act on a call now, and I'll change.
Just be you.
Be you. Nick assist me. Give a laugh for one. Yeah? Awesome.
A mean girl.
Yeah.
Okay. 1,
Yeah.
2,
So then,
go set the timer left.
3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, girl. Oh, but my mother bought me an iPhone 17 Pro Max, girl, not iPhone 15. That is fake. No. You know these glasses, they are so expensive. You can even buy a car with them. Maybe a Lamborghini. Look at my outfit. 10 billion. No, look at your outfits. No. No. It's so ugly.
Ooh.
Look at my hair.
Okay.
It's so beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Yours is ugly. Like, I know some bubble gum. Do you have a bubble gum?
Mm-hmm.
My friend, my mom, so she can send me 10K. Hi!
Yeah.
Girls with drama.
Ah.
Now Mike is going to act like
A gentleman. A rich man.
Uh,
A rich man.
you've been okay. Mike is going to act like a rich
A man.
man from England, British accent.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
British. I don't know the accent of British. I don't know.
Okay, no. Mike is gonna act like a colored guy from the
You
car
see?
seat.
You see?
Ah!
And start.
Start.
Excelani. Do you know that I can steal your phone and still sell it to you? Hey, Koala. Hey, Koala. Exe, I'm talking to you. Do you know that I can steal your phone and sell it to you at the same time?
You can't.
Oh, you doubting me?
Yeah. You know how much is this phone?
Pay 1 minute. I got paid 1 minute. Mphelelo. Ungajabhisi. Ungajabhisi asimelele 1 minute iphela.
Uphelelwe.
And 1 minute is out.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, ngicela nithi kune mina ngicela ngizonipha ama 200 nonke.
Namanga.
Wozani, who won this one?
Me.
Okay, who? Okay, just rank us from like number 1, number 2, number 3.
Millie.
Yeah.
Millie.
Millie again.
I can't tell Mike
Guys,
nangu
please
Mike
come
la,
to
yeah.
Ivory Park. We're in Ivory Park. What do you say?
Mikey.
Need Joy. Uche,
Which-
it's Millie.
Millie won.
Millie won. Nah, bro. The odds are against us.
Umile kanti wina kake ile umile yenzile ngaka kanti. Oh
Yo,
yeah.
Millie times 29. Le.
37, 38.
Yo, done 1.3K. Viewers on your live.
Yeah, but no.
489, bro.
Me,
Okay, next competition.
77. See,
Next competition. Guys,
thank you.
who can sing? Yeah.
Okay, who's starting now?
Millie.
Me? No.
Can I start?
Yeah.
Can I start? In your time. 7 in time.
Yeah.
No, 30 seconds. Because I do that for you. No, no, press 0.
Millie times 130. Alright, guys, so go right. We're not Mike. Okay, Nyanbona, guys. Yeah, it's a Mike. It's 100. Okay, should I start?
Yeah. Starting now.
This song is for my mother and my father and especially my parents. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down until you build the road. I've been scanning, fast this all.
30 seconds.
Okay, come here, good.
A minute. No, it's you, Millie, now.
No, it's you.
Why me?
Who?
They're still saying Millie. Oh,
Ready?
Mohsen, Mike. Ready? Okay, move. Again.
Ready? 3,
Our poor ears,
Wait.
bro.
2, 1.
Start.
And I find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Yeah, I'm done.
30 seconds, I got paid.
Don't forget me, how I remember you
11
say.
seconds.
Sometimes I love, sometimes I love.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
How was that, guys? Huh? How was that, guys?
Next, Millie.
Wasn't that beautiful? Wasn't that beautiful?
Ready? Move.
Move. Set the
I'm
time.
going to do
3,
this next. This
2,
one, this.
1. Now, Mike. 3, 2, 1. Action.
I miss my cocoa body. This is how I smile.
Yes, Ropa.
Yes, Ropa,
You
Millie,
look good in the choir. You look good in the choir.
Millie, man, iskhathi phela.
Wow.
1, 2, 1, go.
I miss my cocoa body. This is how I smile when you listen. And no competition, just complete my intuition and you like.
Okay.
I know I'm not gay, so baby I'll be flipping it. A.M.S. late night, who'll be out you mine? Look out your time, oh you be bothering me, so I'm gonna make you mine. You used to text with me, checking me, calling me a slide, and now you're treating like I'm like
Charlie.
Okay, we lost again.
So, who won, guys? Who won? Who won, guys? Who won?
Akona, thank you for the gift. Wow.
Yeah.
Akona is sending gifts. Nice. Guys, who won? Me, this who won 140.
156, bro. We're not winning this at all.
Mike, ngiyabona this guy's ningiphi themba. I can see Mike. Ningiphi themba. So, now it's a dancing challenge.
Okay. Challenge Friday, young 25.
Yeah,
Done Saturdays are 45.
Oh. Cala mina. Sijayiva kungena ngoma noma kungena.
Yeah, kungena ngoma.
Kungena ngoma.
No, you guys cheating.
Akunangoma.
Yeah, 1. Okay, thanks. Balu 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yo, 6 and 10 gifts are going. 3, 2, 1, 0.
That's some energy there. That's some energy there. That's some energy there.
That's Michael get ready to me. Okay.
Wow.
That's some energy there.
Last time you were the last person.
Yeah, I mean, who and why?
Bambi.
I'll tell you. Chive.
1, 2,
None of my.
No,
1, 2. You
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Chile. 3, 2, 1. On the floor. On the floor. Chile.
Low battery.
Who won that one, guys? Who won the winner layer, guys? Come on, guys. Let's see the comments now. Who won that one? Mike. Yabong, Mike.
What's it?
Mike. Teganakai, Mike.
Number 1. Yo.
Check Mike 35,
Me.
Mike 39, Mike 45. Come on, guys. What's up, Mike? 66, 77, 82, 84, 87. Come on, 85. What's up, Mike? What's up, Mike? Dalagin Chila, guys. The number no Chris Brown. Like, no babam.
Akona sent gifts again. Thank you, Akona, for the gift.
Yeah, I can't no busy, ne? Pero what's Mike? Mike, it's 130. Chip tak pas zap pela chip. Kulani zap now me. 1 2 1 2. Antan kulani zap. Uzukuli zap. Nyakcela ke.
Okay.
1 2 1 2.
Ngiyakucelela ke Friday
Veluthi zap. Veluthi zap. Milos.
Uholile ndixelela ngaNtondi ndixelela ngama zap. Yona man zap. Ngitshela ngama zap. Ay wena man zap. Ngitshela ngama zap.
Ngiyabonga.
Zap.
But love.
Ngitshela ngama zap. Wina zap. Ngitshela ngama zap. Ngitshela ngama
Pasi
zap.
klatshe.
Zap mama. Ngitshela ngama zap. Ngitshela ngama zap. Ngitshela ngama zap. Ngitshela ngama
Pasi klatshe la. Yo, 1.6. Wow. No, next competition.
Okay, next competition is who is the strongest?
Me.
Kukapela, someone or something.
Something.
And Millie carries
No, I want something heavy.
Mike.
No, why?
Kukamina.
I'm trying.
Try.
Lessons are tightening in.
Yeah. Tana, ngeke. So. Cookie.
What's this?
Yeah. Cookie.
You know where the danger is. Hey, Butata, hey, Patata, hey. Yo, it's just the jokes. No one really fell. It's just the jokes. It's a dance routine.
Eish, Millie, I wanna manage. Eish.
It's just the jokes.
Oh,
I said,
senkuka wena manje.
Nah, Kukami. Mike. Because we all can do this.
What's again? Lad. Ready?
Sure.
Aim. Aw nga iqabsa. Woza baba. Ngiyayigwisa.
Hayi ba. Whoa. Okay.
Oh, lala yi.
Okay, pontoro ngangwisa.
Yeah, ngeke. Yeah.
Ngikukane thuya fa.
Ngeke.
Was Millie this side, Mike was okay ngizoqala ngo hayi. Makethe Millie, mangikethe ngikuku yes.
Yeah. Cookie.
Yes, please.
Joga. Wena ngehluleka ukuguga. Na ngehluleka. Sure.
In the air, boy.
Sure.
Until they like
Hey,
it.
sure. Don't go
Right, right.
Ah. You don't count rib cage.
You little kid.
What's okay, guys?
Ah. You.
Screenshot, guys. Links in there. Screenshot it. Sure.
You. Ha.
So who won?
Me.
Bro, we need air ventilation, bro.